Hello you guys, welcome to this edition of Cooking with Talisha's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make beef roast, and what you will need for this is roast. Now it's all kind of different roasts, so whatever part of the roast you like is fine, but to me, the way I cook it, I don't care if you have the most tender part or the toughest part, it's going to all turn out tender and fine. So I already have my meat rinsed off. I have actually 5 of the beef chuck roasts. So what you would need for this is your number of roasts in a deep dish kind of pan, because I like to cook my roast overnight on 250. So you would need some roast, your choice of seasoning. I have 2 bags of carrots. You can use the other carrots, cut them up yourself, and about 10 tomatoes, and in the other part I'll show you how to cut it. You need some flour and you need some water, and I like a little brown and seasoning. So what you're going to do first is put a cup of flour in a bowl, just a cup, and you're going to fill this up with cold water. Oh, and you also need cream of chicken. I usually sometimes use cream of chicken and cream of mushroom, but I don't know what happened. I just went in the store and evidently I just picked up all cans of cream of chicken. So, hey, that I have to work. It don't matter. I use both. Now you're gonna pour this water over it. Now you want to fill this up to the rim, but not to don't let it overflow, because when you put your lid down, you want to make sure there's enough room. So we're going to fill some more water, and then let me go get my cream of chicken. Like I said, you can use cream of chicken or cream of mushroom. It don't matter. While that's filling up, we're going to go ahead and add the cans of cream of chicken in here. When you're baking anything, I'm telling you, cream of chicken and cream of mushroom is your best friend. Yes. It makes it taste really, really good. Okay, this water should be ready. That's about enough water. Just take your spatula and just break up the cream of chicken. So go ahead and season it to your taste. I do add little cayenne pepper in mine, but y'all know in all my videos I use the same seasoning. Yes, and that make you cough. This is garlic powder. Oh, it makes me cough. Black pepper. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Black pepper. Onion powder. I really like the granulated kind. I don't care for the powder, even though it all works the same. Seasoning salt. And I put like a little paprika in there. Some Montreal. A little Old Bay. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of browning. Now we're going to mix this up. See what it says. Get you a lid. Let me get my lid. Put your lid over it. Now I'll cook mine overnight. So you can cook it overnight on 250 overnight. Don't worry about it. When you wake up in the morning, it's not going to be stuck. It's not going to be burnt. And when we come back, I'll show you to add the potatoes and carrots, because I don't like adding that in there overnight because you don't want to be mushy. You don't want to have mashed potatoes inside your roast. So you go ahead and preheat your oven at 250. I would say if you're cooking it the next day, 10 o'clock at night, go ahead and put it in the oven. By the time you wake up in the morning, 6, 7 o'clock, it should be ready for you to add your other ingredients, because that's why I fill it up with water, because it's going to cook down. And overnight, it just makes it so tender and fall. So I will see y'all tomorrow with this, but you know, in the magic of TV, it's going to be all at once. Okay. Okay, hello you guys. Welcome back. See, the roast have cooked down. Look how it's falling apart. See if I can bring this a little closer. See, it's falling apart. Now you're ready to add your vegetables. I'm gonna scoop that back. Turn your oven up to 375. Now I'm gonna show you 2 ways you can cut your potatoes. It really don't matter to me. I cut mine going down the middle, then I cut it back, then I dice some. Or some people cut them. Sometimes you can have a bad part. Cut that off. And they just cut them. Either how you do it, it don't matter. Now I already got some rinsed and ready to go. Go ahead and put those in there. Your carrots, you can put them in this thing and rinse them. Now you can use real carrots and cut them up. That's up to you, but I just like the baby carrot. I mean, these are real carrots. It's just already cut up for you. Go ahead and add these to rinse. Add them. Just mix this in there. Now the roast is done. You're just waiting on the vegetables to cook. I'll let it cook for about 2 more hours. And I'll show y'all the final product when it come out. Now remember, have your oven on 375. Put your lid back on there too. Put it back in the oven for 2 hours. Welcome back. Look how it's just falling apart. Yes, yes, yes. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you try it. But look at the final product. It's so moist, so tender. Let me know how you cook your roast. You can substitute this for pork roast. It doesn't matter. Just let me know how you all like your roast served. But here's mine. Thank you again for watching this edition of Cooking with Talisha's Kitchen pot roast. Thank you and have a blessed day.